Firstly, it seems that we often confuse circular economy with other agendas such as sustainability, environmental protection, climate change, and emissions control. This can be seen by examining the directives and action plans provided earlier. And while I am a strong supporter of these agendas, I fail to see the logical reason behind this mix-up. Secondly, it has been observed that the circular economy as a concept has been reduced down to simple recycling. And when the EU was given the opportunity to use the most comprehensive indicator that was designed with its support, such as the Material Circularity Index, the MCI, to reflect the state of circularity from a holistic perspective, it was not actively used by EU officials. Third, there is a missing link between the existing EU action plans and directives and the reported indicators, and this link is the directives that govern the hierarchy of product usage, from extending the lifespan of a product and managing its disposal. An evident example is the lack of regulations governing minimum design requirements for a product, or forcing manufacturers to include minimum design and performance changes before introducing a new model. And without such laws, the current economic model continues to stimulate consumption through frequent disposal and replacement of products in use with new models. Another example is the lack of legislation in place to measure the product's compliance with the circular economy concept. Manufacturers, for example, are not obligated to prove the reliability, upgradability, or the potential for repurposing their products. They are also not required to demonstrate that they have made efforts to reuse components from their own old models or from other similar models. Even worse, there is a lack of database containing technical description of critical components extracted from disposed older models. And additionally, there is no established blacklist for complex or non-recyclable or toxic materials that are not allowed to be used in manufacturing processes. This means that manufacturers are still free to produce parts and products without any reuse, repurpose, or recycling plans in mind, leading to the increase of disposal rates. And lastly, no serious action has been taken to support initiatives such as enforcing second-hand market or selling products as service, where producers retain ownerships and responsibility for the products throughout its life cycle.